Hey, what's up? This is Andrew from Limitless, and today I'd like to talk about using language to rapidly transform your life and turn into that person you always wanted to become. And this topic really came to mind the other day when I was reading the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. And for those of you who haven't read the book, the simple premise is the past and the future are not happening, and they're just simply thoughts in your mind. And when the future comes, at that very moment when the future comes, the time is now. So to sum everything up, everything always happens right now. And for a lot of us who use language such as I am a procrastinator or I eat junk food, and using that language is having a major impact on your unconscious mind where all your behaviors are driven at the most deepest level. So if you say I'm a procrastinator, your mind takes that literally and it believes it. Even though your logical mind knows you don't want to procrastinate, your unconscious mind believes it literally. So how could we use this for rapid transformation in our lives? And what I like to do is use a simple language pattern technique to really push those negative qualities to be a thing of the past, which according to the power of now is not happening, and pull those future qualities of the person I want to transform into right now. So the most basic example I could use is if I always say I am a procrastinator or I don't take action on my goals, that's speaking in the present moment, so it's happening. If you switch up your language a little bit and start to say, while I used to procrastinate in the past, now I start taking action on a regular basis, your unconscious mind is actually going to believe that even if you haven't started taking those actions yet. And this is very powerful because if you keep pushing those positive qualities into the future, they're never going to come to fruition and you're going to completely chase them for the rest of your life. So by simply using language patterns and saying, I used to do these negative things in the past, and I do all these positive things right now, that is the very moment we're gonna rapidly accelerate your transformation. And all those positive qualities, you're gonna start to notice them creep up a little bit right away. But over time, you're gonna embody all of those positive qualities. And just by using this language pattern, I got over procrastination, I gave up junk food, I started going to the gym. And just by using the simple language technique, by pushing those negative things in the past and pulling those positive future qualities into the present moment, I take all the negative qualities, I push them out of the now, and they're not happening. And once I start using the present moment on a regular basis, I start noticing these qualities appear in my life. So I know the old saying goes, fake it until you make it. And a lot of people are against that because they feel you should have these results or something on the outside before you have success. But by using this language pattern and acting as if you are already that person you want to be, it's going to become a habit over time. And this is really the only way to transform yourself. So stop chasing those qualities into the future and start using those qualities in the present moment. And it begins with your language patterns.